guys, welcome back to another video. Now the last few days we've gotten some very deep snow, and we're about to attempt to try to get to the end of our road. And I was having some trouble earlier today. We're about to try to do it again. I had to go a few times before I got through without spinning out through the snow drifts and stuff. More of a powdery snow. We had some wet heavy snow earlier this week, but that kind of turned into powder now, and we're about to try to go through it. Wondering if somebody plowed it. Well, this just sucks. Our pavement roads were still covered, but they had ice and stuff when you gotta watch. I was probably doing about 30-35 the whole way home, and I get into our driveway and it's that snow drifted that, yeah. Somebody tried to get in but then backed out.